Today, I'd like to show you how to mix your own blacks. I'm Jess Rice. I'm an art teacher, and beginners are my specialty. A lot of artists use black in their palette. There's lots of beautiful blacks out there. I like to mix my own. I don't tend to get muddy colors from them. They seem to work with all the other colors that I'm working with. If I introduce a black, I'm not really sure what colors are in it, and sometimes I'll get muddy colors from it. So I kind of stay away from the blacks. I like to mix my own. I think they're more fun, they're richer, they're more interesting to look at, I think. So I'm going to show you how to mix 3 different blacks, kind of a lighter one, a mid-tone, and then a darker one. And then I'm going to show you how to kind of shift the color of the black to different colors. So it can range between a purple or a blue to more of a yellow or a green. The base that I use for my blacks are usually phthalo colors because they're the darkest that you can get. They're the thickest colors or the richest colors. I use a phthalo turquoise, a phthalo blue red shade, and a ultramarine. The ultramarine is going to give me a little bit lighter black. Phthalo turquoise is probably going to be the most intense black, and then phthalo blue is kind of a middle ground black. So let's start with the lightest one. Put a little bit of ultramarine. Mix it up on your palette. And then to that I add alizarin crimson, and that makes a real rich purple. Make sure it's all mixed into your brush. You can see what a beautiful color that is, and how nice that would work with all the other colors in my palette. I want to also show you that you can gradate these colors just by adding a little bit of water to them. You can lighten them up. That's a beautiful color to work on in your painting, to work with in your painting. So that's ultramarine blue and a little bit of alizarin crimson. A little bit of phthalo blue. A little bit of alizarin crimson. Really load your brush up. Just a little bit more alizarin crimson. Much darker color. And I would probably go over this a couple times in my paintings as well, so darkening up as I go. Nice, rich, dark color. And another dark color that I use quite often is a phthalo turquoise. I love using phthalo turquoise. It's a beautiful color to work with, and I really like it as a black. It's got a little bit of yellow in it already, a blue base with a little bit of yellow in it. Get it nice and rich, and then I add a little bit of alizarin crimson. Mix it up. And it makes a real rich dark black. A beautiful color to work with. Some really nice base colors to work with. If you want a darker color, it's a little bit more blue, I'd use the phthalo. A little bit darker, use the phthalo turquoise. A little more purplish, the ultramarine. Ultramarine's already got red in it, so it's going to read a little bit more purple. Now if I want to shift these more to the brown side or the yellow side, I can just start adding a little bit more yellow to that dark color. It just shifts that dark color over to a greenish color. So So just by adding another color, I can shift it either way. I can shift it to the red side, to the blue side. Let's add just a little bit more yellow to the phthalo blue mixture. Different green, still nice and dark. Let's shift this one even more over to the red side. Almost burgundy. A little more brown in it. This one I could shift more to the yellow side as well, or more to a brownish side just by adding a little bit more yellow. Nice dark brown. It's got all that red in it, so when it mixes with the yellow, it's going to give you some nice browns as well. So those are the darks that I work with. Just with those 6 colors, or those 3 colors basically, with the alizarin crimson, you can make a wide variety of darks that you're going to use in your paintings. They're much richer, they're much more interesting to look at, and they interact with the other colors much better because I'm going to use a lot of those same colors to mix in the rest of my painting.